So today at the lab, well, lately I've been doing a lot of like experiments on my own, which is kind of cool. Today, um, I transmuted these competent E. coli cells, and like a lot of this sounds really complicated, but it's all pretty simple, like following the protocols and stuff. Um, like the stereotype that biology people don't know how to do chemistry or like know any of the chemical details is holding pretty well through here. A lot of, instead of saying like what chemicals are, they'll just say like this is buffer A1 and then like A3 and stuff, and they'll have like easy codes. And there are a lot of really like nifty color changes, like, oh, in this step adding this buffer will change the color, just so you know that you've like mixed something thoroughly or something. Um, let's see, it's kind of cool. Well, it's like a completely different world, um, because everything is so small. It's like, oh yeah, we're inserting these vector plasmids with this gene, blah blah blah, into these special cells, all in this little 200 microliter little vial thing. Or, oh yeah, we're making millions of copies of this one little segment of DNA, all in this little tiny thing. And, these enzymes or whatever doing whatever. So I don't know, it's kind of cool. It makes a lot more sense why everyone here is like really germophobic, because so much of what they work with is just, you can't see it. Like today I reconstituted primers for PCR, and they're just like 20 nucleotides long, and it's like this vial, and it has a sticker, and there's nothing in it. Like there's nothing in it, and you have to centrifuge it just to make sure everything in it goes to the bottom. And of course there is like the dried primers, but they're so microscopic, you don't see it. So you just have to trust that you know, you are getting it into the water that you're putting it in. It's really stringent. It's so like safety, not safety, like contamination. That's like the worst thing possible in a biology lab. So everything is really stringent, which is kind of cool. Um, yeah, a lot of micropipetting, and it's really cool. They're called guns in Chinese. Like the word is the same for a gun, so I always think of that one first before I think of micropipette. We run gels every day. It's kind of boring now. It's kind of like a hassle, because I have to put on the PE gloves because they have the dangerous DNA like staining dye in them. Every day something funny happens on the subway, but I never remember all of them. I don't remember what happened today already. It's starting to get really hot, and right now I'm in the bedroom and the air conditioning is on at 28 degrees, so it's somewhat comfortable. Um, what else? This weekend I'm leaving to go to Beijing, and that'll be a lot of fun. I think the weather's gonna be really nice. Um, what else? After that is my last week here, and I guess it'll be kind of sad because I've had a lot of fun and I've learned a ton over here. But yeah, I mean, I have other stuff to do too. Um, so yeah, it'll be fine. Um, yeah, I only have 5 days left. I need to make sure I figure out exactly how much money to put into like my Metro card and my like the lunch card thing and stuff. But yeah, other than that, it'll be fine.